Interactive Brokers, IBKR, is a powerful platform for trading and investing. This video will help beginners understand the features, fees, and functionalities of IBKR, ensuring a smooth start to their investment journey. Interactive Brokers, IBKR, is one of the leading online brokerage firms. They offer a wide range of trading options for both retail and institutional clients. This video aims to provide a clear understanding of IBKR's offerings and benefits. I've been using Interactive Brokers for my own investments, and I've found their platform to be quite helpful. The link is in the first link of the video description if you're interested in exploring further. Who is Interactive Brokers? Founded in 1978, Interactive Brokers is one of the oldest brokerage firms in the industry. It was established by Thomas Peterfy, who remains the chairman today. IBKR has built a reputation as a pioneer in digital trading. With a market capitalization of around $37 billion, IBKR is publicly traded on the NASDAQ. The company has consistently shown strong performance, averaging a 10% annual return over the last 15 years. IBKR serves a diverse client base with approximately 70% retail and 30% institutional investors. This mix provides stability, as institutional clients tend to trade more frequently regardless of market conditions. IBKR versus other brokers. When comparing IBKR to other brokerage firms, several factors stand out. While many brokers serve predominantly retail investors, IBKR has a strong institutional presence. This balance reduces reliance on retail trading volumes, which can fluctuate significantly during market downturns. IBKR's operating margins are among the highest in the industry. They have maintained this performance even during economic challenges, such as the COVID-19 pandemic. In terms of global reach, IBKR operates in 33 different countries. This allows clients to invest in various markets, unlike many competitors who may limit their offerings. Security and regulatory information. Safety is a top priority for investors. IBKR is licensed and regulated in multiple countries, including the US, UK, Canada, and Hong Kong. This regulatory oversight provides peace of mind for clients. Clients under IBKR US are protected by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. This offers coverage of up to $500,000, including a sub-limit of $250,000 for cash. For those with higher balances, IBKR offers an insured bank deposit sweep program, which increases coverage significantly. In addition, IBKR has further insurance through Lloyd's of London, providing an extra $30 million per account. This layered approach to security ensures that client funds are well protected. Financial offerings available. Interactive Brokers offers a comprehensive range of financial products. Clients can trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, spot currencies, and even cryptocurrencies in select markets. Investors can access global markets in popular stocks like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. They can also invest in international companies, including Tencent and HSBC. Moreover, IBKR allows trading in bonds, metals, and mutual funds. This extensive offering ensures that clients have various options to diversify their portfolios. Fractional shares trading explained. One of the standout features of IBKR is fractional shares trading. This allows investors to purchase a portion of a share rather than a whole one. For example, if a single share of Nvidia costs $450, investors can choose to buy just $50 worth. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with limited capital. It enables investors to diversify their portfolios without needing significant funds up front. With fractional shares, clients can dollar-cost average their investments, making it easier to build a balanced portfolio over time. Understanding fees structure. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for any investor. IBKR offers two main pricing plans, IBKR Pro and IBKR Lite. While IBKR Lite is only available to US residents, the Pro plan is accessible to international clients. Under the IBKR Pro plan, there are two pricing options, tiered and fixed. Tiered pricing charges clients based on the number of shares traded, with a minimum fee of 0.35 per trade. Fixed pricing, on the other hand, has a minimum charge of $1 per trade. It's important to note that there may be additional fees, such as exchange and clearing fees. However, these are typically minimal compared to other brokers. For those interested in margin financing, IBKR offers competitive margin loan rates. This can significantly reduce the cost of borrowing compared to other brokerage firms. Choosing your base currency. Choosing your base currency is a critical step when setting up your Interactive Brokers account. The base currency influences the conversion rates and fees associated with trading. Interactive Brokers allows you to select your base currency during account setup. This currency will be used for all transactions. It is essential to choose wisely. If you're primarily trading in US markets, setting your base currency to USD is advisable. This simplifies transactions and minimizes conversion fees. For clients trading in multiple currencies, consider the predominant currency of your trades. This decision can save you money in the long run. Remember, changing your base currency later can be cumbersome, so take the time to evaluate your trading habits before making a choice. If you are ready to start, link to the platform is the first one in the video description. Funding your account, methods and tips. Funding your Interactive Brokers account can be done through various methods. The two most common methods are bank wire transfers and Wise. Bank wire transfers are straightforward. You can send money directly from your local bank account to your IBKR account. This method is widely accepted and usually quick. However, if your currency isn't supported natively, you may face higher fees. To avoid this, consider using Wise for a more cost-effective solution. Wise allows you to hold multiple currencies and transfer them at competitive rates. It's user-friendly and offers a seamless experience for transferring funds. When funding your account, ensure you are aware of any potential fees. Always check the conversion rates and choose the method that suits you best. Exploring trading platforms. Interactive Brokers offers several trading platforms. Each platform caters to different types of traders. The main options include the IBKR mobile app, the web client portal, and the Trader Workstation, TWS. The IBKR mobile app is user-friendly. It is perfect for trading on the go. You can execute trades, monitor your portfolio, and access market news. The web client portal provides more advanced tools. It allows for in-depth research and analysis. This platform is ideal for serious investors who want to manage their portfolios effectively. For professional traders, the Trader Workstation offers advanced features. It provides real-time data, extensive charting tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. Regardless of your choice, all platforms are secure and provide essential trading functionalities. Customer support options. Customer support is crucial when using a trading platform. Interactive Brokers offers multiple ways to reach out for assistance. One of the fastest options is live chat support on their website. This service is available 24/7 and connects you to a real person quickly. If your issue is more complex, you can submit a support ticket. This method may take longer for a response, but is useful for detailed inquiries. For quick questions, the AI chatbot, iBot, can help navigate the app. However, it may not resolve all issues effectively. Phone support is also available, providing another avenue to seek assistance. This option is reliable and works around the clock. Customized account statements. Interactive Brokers offers a unique feature for account management: customized account statements. This allows you to generate tailored reports based on your trading activity. You can create reports for various purposes, such as tax filing or personal tracking. The flexibility of this feature is beneficial for managing your investments. To access this, simply search for Portfolio Analyst in the platform. You can choose parameters and details to include in your reports. This feature enhances your ability to track performance and make informed decisions. It is a valuable tool for any investor looking to stay organized. Conclusion: is IBKR right for you? Choosing the right broker is essential for your investment journey. Interactive Brokers offers many features that cater to both beginners and experienced traders. The platform's low fees, extensive market access, and robust trading tools make it an attractive option. However, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you prefer a simplified trading experience or are just starting, you may want to explore other options. But for those looking for a comprehensive trading platform, IBKR stands out. Ultimately, your choice should align with your trading goals and experience level. Take the time to evaluate your needs before deciding. I've been exploring investment options, and Interactive Brokers has been a valuable resource for me. You can find the link to their platform in the first link of the video description if you're interested in learning more.